Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy snack recipe, the sweet corn vada. So let's get started. Take one dry red chili, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now add this to a mixer jar and grind it to a coarse powder. To this add in half-inch piece of ginger and half a cup of sweet corn. I'm using frozen corn, but you can also use boiled sweet corn. Now grind this coarsely without adding any water. Now transfer this to a mixing bowl. Season it with some salt. I've added quarter teaspoon of salt, half an onion finely chopped, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Now to this add in juice of half a lemon. As we are adding lemon juice, you can choose to skip the chaat masala also. Now gently mix everything and to this add in 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix it all well till it is well combined. Now with your hands roll it into a ball shape the size of a lemon. Once you have rolled it into round shape, press it gently in the middle or using both your hands. Now we can repeat this and shape up the rest of the flour. Once done, heat up enough oil to deep fry the vada. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the shaped vada and deep fry them till they are beautiful golden in color and is crispy. Maintain medium flame throughout while frying the vada. It would take nearly 3 or 4 minutes. Once it reaches this beautiful golden color, remove it from the oil. Drain off the excess oil by keeping it in a tissue paper. You can serve this with chutney or ketchup. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.